How to get Westjet Silver Status. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get Westjet Silver Status. Now if you open up Westjet, if you head into account, you'll be able to see your rewards overview, tier, qualifying spend here. You can see 3,000 Canadian dollars away from silver. So once you reach the $3,000 in tier qualifying spend in your qualifying year, you'll move up to the silver tier with earned rates of 3% back on eligible Westjet flights and 1% back on eligible Westjet vacation packages, as long as you continue to maintain your silver status. So as you can see here, once you open up the account, once you have spent the $3,000 here, once you reach the $3,000 spent in a qualifying year, you will be moved up to silver status. So this way you can get Westjet Silver Status. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.